Hello everyone, I am Shirath Reddy from group G355. Today I am going to present about our project porting large language models to mobile devices and integrating office tools with language models. In this presentation, we explored the practical applications of LLMs on mobile devices. We also demonstrate integrating LLMs with common office tools. The app in our project does not need an active internet connection, which makes it reliable in areas with poor connectivity. The users interact with the app by inputting questions and the LLM generate the responses. And the processes are open the Android app. The app acts as the front-end interface. Start the LLM server in Termux. Termux is a terminal emulator for Android which allows running the LLM backend locally. Select questioning answering. Users choose this mode in the app. Example chat interface. Screenshots show how the users interact with the LLM, asking questions and receiving answers. The application uses the LLM to understand natural language prompts for scheduling tasks. Tasks are then automatically added to the calendar. And the processes are users select the calendar tasks option in the app. They type a task like schedule a meeting with the team on Friday at 3 p.m. The app processes the input and asks for confirmation. Once confirmed, the task is directly scheduled into the calendar. And now we speak about app structure and the navigation. Navigation and routing. It ensures smooth transitions between screens. Main screen UI. It designed with clear options for the user. And the prompt input is it acts as the starting point for backend communication where user inputs are sent for processing. These are the backend integration scripts. These scripts in the backend integration that powers the app. Those are prompt file watcher. It continuously monitors for new prompts sent from the app. It acts as a trigger for the rest of the processing pipelines. And the other one is prompt processing and LLM request. The prompt process is sent to the LLM for analysis, and the response is processed and returned to the app. Event extraction and calendar launch. Relevant details such as dates and times are extracted, and these details are used to launch and calendar app and create events. Major learnings gained in this project. Cross-platform system integration. Learn to connect Android apps, the local LLM backend, and mobile components using Kotlin, Python, and shell scripts. Building an office pipeline. Created an efficient system that works offline for privacy and reliability. Prompt structuring. Discovered techniques to format prompts and parse to LLMs responses using HTTP APIs. Automation with shell scripts. Used scripts like watchprompt.sh to automate data flow. Android development. Gain experience with Kotlin and Jetpack Compose to create a user-friendly app interface. Changes from initial architecture. These changes are from our milestone 1. These are made because of some connection errors. These are native calendar integration. Instead of custom implementations, we switch it to Android's native calendar functionality using and start intents. File-based communications. We replaced Flask with a simpler file-based system for transferring data between Kotlin and Termux. Shell script automation. We integrated shell scripts to detect new prompts automatically and trigger the processing pipelines, which enhance the responsiveness. The model we selected for this project is Orca Mini 3B. We select the model because it is small and efficient, which requires only 4 GB of RAM, which makes it ideal for mobile devices. For it, fast interference time is just from 1 to 2 seconds, which ensures quick responses. Open source and compatible with llama.cpp for easy deployment. We also considered the alternatives as Mistral 7B and GPT J6B, which were too resource intensive. And the conclusion of our project is we successfully ran an offline LLM on mobile devices. We integrated large language model with calendar tools for task scheduling. We built a responsive and efficient app with a user-friendly interface. Challenges and hurdles faced while doing the project. Managing emulator storage constraints was a constant task. Parsing unstructured LLM responses required careful regex and error handling. Debugging communication between the local LLM API and Python scripts was complicated. Connecting LLM output to the calendar system was a major hurdle, and we overcame all these things. Thank you.